I got into trains because of my granddaddy. He gave me something to be passionate about. I liked the way they moved, the sound, the big, bulky attentionness of it all. The fact that you had to, in all fiber of your being, in all walks of life, stop and notice the train in your way. And that always inspired me, and I always loved that. And I think that's really what trains are all about to me.
But you held your course to some distant war in the corners of your mind. And from the second time around, the only love I ever found. Oh, Angela, it's a long time coming. Oh,
I started Country Railfan Productions with my good friend Michael Walsh, mainly because every time we went trackside together, it was an adventure. There was a unique catch, a story to be told, and I wanted to share those stories with all of you and keep them for when I was older so that I could share them with my children. And just maybe, if I got lucky, my grandkids, and I could be just like Granddaddy. Because in reality, that's what Country Railfan Productions is all about. It's about capturing the history that's made today. It's about those fleeting moments in life that everyone just seems to pass by these days. That's why we feel like every train, every outing is an adventure, and it should be shared. Because you never know what could be gone tomorrow. And you never know. You might even run into some cool people along the way. Or even create a lasting family memory. Something to hold on to. For me, trains have always been the gateway. They've always been that door. And as one heads off into the sunset, another begins its journey, just as in life. Because you never know what station stops are along the way. You only enjoy the journey. Please take a moment to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great railroad media, capturing railroad history with each passing train. I'm your host, Grayson Chestnut. Happy train watching.